All right, Buck City Pig back with the cards. We're going to go ahead and we're going to rip this Illusions first. And I want to give a shout out, special shout out to Rippin' Gypsy, Smash, Mindy. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. And we're going to go ahead and open up the Illusions here. And we're going to see what we got. Pull back on that a little bit. Right off the bat, we have a decent looking Draymond Green. I don't know why the light is on, but hey, there's a Draymond. Donovan Mitchell. Nikola Joker, the Joker. Got one that's here. Jake Layman. Miles Bridges from the Hornets. Jordan Poole, right on. Look at that. See, and I'm a Warriors fan, so I can appreciate that card big time. Jordan Poole, beautiful rookie. It is numbered to 125, and that is number 54 out of 125 for the Jordan Poole rookie. Sweet. Rudy Gobert for the Utah Jazz. We've got another Jazz, Joe Ingles. Some local action with the Sacramento Kings. Harry Giles, another rookie here. Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies. We've got rookie action. Not the right Grizzly, but it was the decent Grizzly. We have the Sekudo. I can't do that last name. And another one I cannot pronounce. That's fantastic. Not even going to try. But a couple of nice rookies. Not a bad pack. Really stoked on the Jordan Poole there. That'll be a sweet card. We'll set those to the side. That pack rip brought to you by the good folks at Rippin' Gypsy. All right, we're going to do our Mosaic. Mosaic, 15 cards is what it's saying. Going to use my other buddies here at Buck City Breaks, Chris and Adam, Hoovy, and the folks there. Marcus, he's no longer with them, but he is in spirit. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open this one up. There's our special pack that has our pink, I think, Mosaic pink parallels. All right, so we have 2 packs here. 2 packs. We'll open up the first one. So, set those down. Let me adjust this camera ever so slightly to give us a little bit. You guys hear me messing around with the little... There we go. Should be a little bit better there. All right, so right off the bat, we got a Terry Bradshaw. Ooh, and I see some color in there. Terry Bradshaw. Kirk Cousins. Got DJ Chark. Here comes the color. Jason Taylor. Beautiful green mosaic. That is really nice. Jason Taylor for the Dolphins. We have Derrick Henry here. Touchdown Masters, Derrick Henry. And we have Harrison Smith for the Minnesota Vikings Pro Bowl. right, next pack. Again, Mosaic. Let's see if we can pull something big out of here today. So we have Marshawn Lynch, Michael Thomas, Dak Prescott, Calvin Ridley, Come Something, Got Game, Ezekiel Elliott, and our rookie is Kenneth Murray. So not the greatest hanger, but that Jason Taylor's nice. Let's take a look at what we got in the Mosaic Pink bonus pack here. I believe this is 3 cards. Starting off with a Deshaun Watson with the pink. Jalen Ramsey. We got a rookie. Jerry Jeudy, the pink Mosaic. Not bad. All right. We have got the big boy here. Big boy mega box. And this box is so big, I'm going to have to use both of my cutters to open it. So, without further ado, let's go ahead. We're going to slice this bad boy open. Peel it back. We're getting 4 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, with a total of 20 cards. And one of those cards is going to be either a memorabilia or an autograph. Okay. Let me go ahead and do this one more time. Just is never easy when you're doing this stuff, is it, guys? All right. First pack. Second pack. And the third pack here. All right, that's going to be the hit in there. Let's take a look at what we got. Was that Randall Cobb, Josh Allen, Bills. Here we've got KJ Osborne, rookie, on the purple. Zach Moss, rookie. Raekwon Davis, rookie. Going to the Dolphins there. Chicago Bears, we got Roquan Smith. I think that's Michael Evans. Nope, that's Chris Godwin there. Zoning Commission is Benny Snell. Okay. There's Jalen Rieger. Our other purple rookie here. No, it's not purple, I guess. It's just a regular standard rookie. That's Jeff Gladney. Rookie. Derek Carr. Tyler Boyd. Brandon Cooks on the purple. We have Desmond, I can't really make it, Patman, and Josiah, Packers. Here is hopefully the hit. There is a hit in there. Let's hope it's an autographed hit. Save it on the last one, right? Cooper Kupp, Blitz. Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. Hello, Justin. Hey, out of everything, that right there is super cool. Justin Herbert, rookie. Our rookie, no, this is going to be Curtis Samuel, and then our card is Cap 8. Could it be an autograph? Matt Ryan. Little piece of his jersey. Matt Ryan. Captains. Matt Ryan of the Falcons. And the corners are a little bit beat up on that card. All right. Well, I was hoping for a bigger hit. But that's pretty nice right there. Eddie Hebert, rookie's doing pretty well. Put that one in some plastic. All right, everybody. Thanks again for joining me. Everybody have a nice evening. Be safe. Have a good weekend. Talk to you later.